Today we're going to look at how to aim your antenna using the SIGNALSCOUT ATSC signal meter. Aiming an antenna is easy, and once you do it, it's not going to need to get done again unless the antenna moves. It always helps if you do a little bit of research first. I use a site called tvfool.com that will let you see where all of the broadcast towers are located compared to your current location. You can also use an app from WineGuard. This app gives you an augmented reality view of all the towers in their relative position using your phone. Search the App Store or Google Play Store for WineGuard TV Signal Finder app and you'll find it easily. It's free. Of course, the only problem there is you do have to be handling your phone while you're up on a roof, and that can be a little bit dicey. Either way, you're going to want to make note of two things. One is the real channel number that you're looking for channels. This is different from the channel that you use to tune it. You may tune to channel 7, but your TV might actually go to channel 41. On the TV Fool chart, it's listed as real. The other is where you actually need to aim, the compass heading. On the TV Fool chart, this is listed as azimuth. Point the antenna roughly at the heading that you need to get the channels that you want. Stand behind the antenna and use either the compass that's built into the meter or the compass app on your phone. There's a handy little clip on the back that lets you turn the coax into a hook so you can hang the meter. The display on the SIGNALSCOUT will give you a basic direction. Personally, I like using the compass app on my phone because it gives you actual headings, which is what the TV Fool screen gives you too. Here's a hint if this is your first time using the SIGNALSCOUT. The top flips up to reveal where you connect the antenna. With your meter powered on, make sure that it says ATSC. If it doesn't, tap the part that says ATSC and change it. Tap on Scan to enter scan mode. You'll see the scan will automatically start, but if you want to do a new scan, tap on the little graduation cap on the upper right-hand corner. Once this scan is done, it's easier to jump from channel to channel once you're in the actual signal testing mode. With the scan complete, go back to Home, and this time tap on Level. Let's take a good look at what we're seeing here. The green signal level means that things are okay. The SNR, or signal to noise ratio, is also okay. If any of these weren't okay, they'd be yellow or red. The lock means it's actually found the frequency and it's using it, and the word amp means that it's automatically using the amplifier to get you the best signal. The signal level it gives you, however, is unamplified. You don't need to do any math to remove that amplification. You can press the up and down arrows to go from channel to channel, and it will skip only to the channels that it's found. That's why you do the scan ahead of time. You'll see some signals with an unlock symbol on it and a red signal. That means you're not actually going to get it on your TV. If you'd like, tap on the channel number and you can directly tune to a specific channel. Or you can do the same thing with the frequency. Repeat this process, checking as many channels as you'd like and making slight adjustments to the rotation of the antenna until you get the signals that you really want. You want to see as many channels as possible with that green level and green SNR. When you're done, disconnect the signal meter and connect up your television. Run a scan for channels. This is different on every television, and look at the Solid Signal blog, blog.solidsignal.com, to get more information on how to scan for channels. Aiming an antenna with the SIGNALSCOUT signal meter is easy, and now you know how to do it.